Hey everyone, it's Katie from the School Hive, and today I'm going to show you what my part-time job is for the summer. Last month, I signed up to be an InstaCart shopper to make some extra income to use towards our wedding. The goal is to basically not use any of our money from our teacher jobs towards our wedding and just what we make from Instacart. Fingers crossed. I first got on the app and made an account. I went through the questionnaire, and 3 to 5 days, I received a debit card to pay for the groceries. I was then ready to shop. I drove to places like Target and got groceries from a list of items someone needs. Now, I'm not going to go into details of how I do this, but instead show you what kind of income you can make from doing this. Here's a screenshot of what I've made so far in 2 weeks. Some are from what Instacart pays me and others are from tips. As you can see, over 2 weeks, working about 2 to 3 days a week for 3 to 5 hours, I was able to make about $150 a week. So if I'm able to keep this up, I can make about $600 extra a month. This is a great way to help pay for school or a wedding like us. I did a bit more research and found out for tax purposes next year, I should also be logging my miles. And there are so many apps for you that you can choose from. I wanted to share this experience with you because maybe there's a vacation or house you're saving up for and aren't sure how to do so. This is a great way to earn some extra money without having to dip into your paycheck from work. I hope this gave you some ideas of how to save for that dream wedding or house. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see daily updates on the School Hive's Instagram and blog. And as always, happy teaching!